All right, my last question is 2028.
Yes.
Now, your name is frankly being floated for vice president. There are sectors saying, why don't you run for president? Madami. Alam naman natin, names are floated. This is your last term as senator.
Yes.
And I think you've really made a mark. I'm not only saying this personally. I think you've seen it yourself. How many people have given you feedback that you've made a mark in good investigative work, even good prosecutorial work, right? With
Salamat.
big issues in the country. So what are your plans? Do you plan to run for higher office? Or
My
please
plans?
don't say you're gonna retire.
When I retire, Karen, from politics, babalik talaga ako sa theater and music.
Oh
And
my,
plan-
okay.
Oh, talaga,
Oh.
promise, mark my word. And my plans that I'm implementing right now are to work on unifying the opposition para mag-rally around kami sa strongest, most popular, most winnable possible slate namin of candidates for 2028. Simula presidente, vice-presidente, hanggang full slate ng mga senador, as many district and party list nominees as we can run, as many local government officials as we can run.
But you will run. You still don't know what post. Is that fair?
I'm not sure if I will run. Depende sa kung anong mapagkasundo ang mga posisyon sa slate at kung magiging isa ako doon. Basta ang pinaka-priority ko sa ngayon ay magkaisa kami sa opposition at mag-rally around kami sa common slate na iyon.
But it's also hard not to be in the public eye. You've seen the effort of Bam Aquino and Kiko Pangilinan when you're out of the public eye for a long time.
Well, but that's why I'm happy na ikinampanya at ipinanalo namin ang mga katulad nila at mga partido tulad ng Akbayan, yung kaalyado naming ML. There are other party lists still around like Magdalo, aktibo pa rin sa politika, sa public eye, kahit wala sa formal politics pero kumikilos pa rin para sa pagbabago. So these are the forces na I'm really working with to hopefully to unify and beyond, hindi lang yung mga kakampings, plus talaga ang kailangang magkaisa para lumaban at para manalo.
Okay, all right. But I'm curious, Vice President, President, has it been floated to you?
I hear the talk around. Yes, I do.
Yes, and are you open for any of those posts?
Well, gaya ng sinagot ko sa isang press con Q&A, bukas ako. And I ask all of us in the opposition to remain open. Kasi kailangan talaga magkaisa sa pinakamalakas na slate na kaya naming ilaban para manalo.
All right. On that note, thank you so much, Senate Deputy.